Today is Tuesday, so that means it is time for a Tiny Tidy Tuesday. In today's Tiny Tidy Tuesday, I am going to be tidying up after dinner in my kitchen and starting my Christmas decorating. Stay tuned. Welcome back to Live, Laugh, Love with Jen. I love Tuesdays because I love all the motivation from the Tiny Tidy playlist. I just want to thank Sunday Dawn, as always, for putting the Tiny Tidy playlist together. Her channel name is The Helpful Home. I will link it in my description box below, along with this week's Tiny Tidy playlist. There's so much variety and inspiration on this Tiny Tidy playlist that there is always something for everyone. So whatever you're doing today, I know that you can find some motivation. So like I said, I am cleaning up after dinner and decorating for the Christmas season in my kitchen. So let's get started.
Let's go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me, with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate.
First of all, this was right after dinner, right after I loaded the dishwasher. But even so, before I decorate for any holiday, I want to remove everything from the countertops and give everything a good clean, just so I start with a nice fresh foundation.
'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. Making plans of what we're gonna do. I feel so blessed that I can be with you, 'cause God knows that I've been longing for you. I just wanna hold you close. You know the stars are shining just for you. Let's take a walk and we can follow the moonlight till we reach a place we can stay. Maybe kiss a bit and dream away. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. Love and so beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you.
I just want to welcome you to my channel, those of you that are returning subscribers. And if you happen to be new to my channel, I would love to welcome you as well. And I would love for you to become part of my growing YouTube family. Just click on that subscribe button. It is completely and totally free. And just make sure that your notifications are turned on so that you receive a notification each and every time that I post. I am getting ready to start Vlogmas, where I hope to bring a video to you each day for 25 days. I am excited and nervous about that. Not sure if I can do it, but I'm definitely going to try. Now comes the fun part where I decorate for the Christmas season. I love to add just a few touches. I tend to pull out the same things year after year until they need to be replaced. I think it is just silly personally for me to replace items every year. I know some people like to, but I just tend to gravitate toward the things that I already have. And when I buy pieces, I make sure to purchase pieces that will last and withstand the test of time. I am taking stuff out of the box and then I am cleaning it all before I put it up. But I do want to also tell you a little bit about myself. My name is Jen. I am a heart warrior and a former teacher, and I love to share things with you on this channel. I also have 2 additional channels. The first channel is a typical housewife that focuses on my journey as a housewife, and the second channel is Live Love from the Heart, which focuses on my heart warrior journey. And I would love to have you on those channels as well. I have a couple of videos that I'm working on for those channels, although I do not have a video posted yet, but I do appreciate all the love and support that I have gotten over on those channels. So again, I am just creating kind of the same things I create every year. I do change it up just a little bit, but I do love to reuse the same items year after year.
Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree, and I've lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da, making our Christmas memories. Yes, these are the good times with you. Don't even care what we do if I spend it with you. just gonna be you and me. Hanging by the fire chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh yeah, I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Whoa, oh, oh. La da da da, oh, oh, oh. La da da da, oh, oh, oh. La da da da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, spend my time.
I wanted to show you my final reveal. I ended up putting a wreath on every cabinet door, and I like the way it looks. I do not like that I can see the command hook, so I might have to do something with that. Then I have this cranberry wreath on my Savannah picture, and then I have this bowl, and it has apples in it right now, but I do have some silver and some red ornaments that I'm going to put in it after we eat the apples. And because it just came in, I thought I would show you guys the Peppermint Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface cleaner. It's absolutely my favorite, especially this time of year. And then I have this candle, and this is the Winter Solace candle, and I love it. And then I have this wreath, little hand towel, and I have like a little Noel above the stovetop. And then over here I just have some sprigs of greenery. I have a couple of extra that I think I'm going to put in the bowl. And then I have my deer here with some pears and a couple of Christmas trees flocking it. And then in my centerpiece that I keep year round, I just stuck some pine cone picks, and then I have two little sleigh plates, and I left the regular flower arrangement out and I put a deer beside it. And then I'm just showing you more of the wreaths that I have. I actually used the Amazon image finder to find the wreaths that were supposed to match the two that I originally had, but they are a little different, but that's okay. And then I have these plates that have stockings, and I have little snowflake holders, and I just think the bar area looks nice and cozy and inviting. And then I put a cranberry wreath on each bar stool. I just tied it on kind of like a present, and then I have a centerpiece with red flowers on my table, and there is a Christmas tree on each side of the table. And that is how my kitchen is looking for Christmas 2023.
Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope this video motivated and inspired you in some way. Let me know in the comments below what you tiny tidied along with me. Do not forget to check out Sunday's channel in my description box below, along with the rest of the Tiny Tidy team, and see what everyone is up to today. And remember, take time to live, laugh, and love today. I'll see you guys in the next one. Love you. Have a great day. Bye-bye.
Running around, keeping people pleased, but this is my favorite holiday.